Photosynthesis. A2 Biology. Terminology revision. Autotrophic, can produce its own nutritive organic compounds. Heterotrophic, obtains nutrients by feeding on other organisms. ADP, ATP, adenosine diphosphate, adenosine triphosphate. Redox reactions, reduction and oxidation reactions. Losing an electron is oxidation. Gaining an electron is reduction. Electron transport chain, a chain of electron-carrying compounds, drives ATP production. Chloroplast envelope, is the inner and outer membrane plus the intermembrane space. Thylakoids, are membrane discs found in grana. Grana, are stacks of thylakoids. Lamellae, are extensions of thylakoids that keep space between grana. Stroma, is the liquid-like matrix of the chloroplast, it contains all the enzymes. Carotenoids, are photosynthetic pigments, orange carotene and yellow xanthophyll. Pheophytin, a gray pigment from the breakdown of other photosynthetic pigments. Absorption spectrum, is a graph showing the wavelengths of light at which a pigment absorbs. Action spectrum, is a graph showing the rate of photosynthesis at different wavelengths of light. Light-dependent reactions, require light, occurs on the thylakoid membranes. They produce ATP, split water, and provide hydrogen ions. Light-independent reactions, form the Calvin cycle. They use reduced NADP and ATP. Occurs in stroma, produce carbohydrates. Photochemical reaction, is a reaction initiated by light. Cyclic phosphorylation, drives the production of ATP. It involves PS1 only. Non-cyclic phosphorylation, involves PS1 and PS2. It breaks water molecules and produces reduced NADP and ATP. Photolysis, is the splitting of a molecule using light. Calvin cycle, is a chain of reactions in the stroma that reduce CO2 and produce a carbohydrate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, also called GALP, is an important product of photosynthesis. It is used in a number of other synthesis reactions. Photorespiration, an alternative reaction occurring in low CO2 environments. Uses oxygen and produces CO2. Gluconeogenesis, is the synthesis of glucose. Limiting factor, is the factor in least supply which prevents further reactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.